joy of eating nutritious, delicious food. The recipes you can find on this delightful book by beloved Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her beloved daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. And this book, delightful, you will find at Amazon.com, Exlibris.com in ebook and paperback format by Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes by Juanita Gutierrez, now at Amazon and all bookstores. Happy cooking and happy dining with family and friends. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes by Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, now at Amazon in ebook and paperback, and also at Exlibris. Happy cooking! Enjoy life!